Hello, my name is Leah Mugadori, and this is my webpage that I made for this week. So I got my webpage here. It has my image here. This is a nurse, because I think my career is a nurse, and then my heading is nursing is my career. So I have my heading here. I have my 2 paragraphs here, and I have the link here. Like when you click to this link here, it will take you to the nursing. You can read about the nursing here. So where I did my work, it's here in this place. I have my doc type here is HTML. My title is Leah Nursing. That's what I tried to do. This is my code where I did. This is my image where I did. So image screen here for my image, and this is the title here again. Here for nursing is my career. I have paragraph 1 here for my first paragraph, and I have another one here for my second paragraph. And down here, this is my link for the link of my where you can click and see about the nursing field, whatever it goes on in nursing. So like when you click here, let's see whether it's gonna open for us, because my computer is a kind of slow. Yeah, it's giving about the explore health careers.org. There we go. You can read about the nursing and everything here when you click to that link I've put below on my webpage there, and the salaries, the careers. So that's what I did for this week. Thank you.